In this video, I'm going to show you 7 baseboard cleaning hacks that you can do without breaking your back. Number 1 is to vacuum dust and pet hair off of the baseboards with a brush attachment. Just use whichever vacuum you have at your home. This is my Shark Vertex. Simply attach the brush attachment to the vacuum and then pull it along the length of the baseboards along the top ledge, and then make sure you're hitting the top of the quarter round at the bottom of the floor. Make sure to pay extra attention to the crevices and the corners and where trim meets the floor. You can also vacuum off door trim and window ledges along the way. Number 2 is to clean off any remaining marks and built up dirt with a damp microfiber cloth attached to a broom. I use this green Libman broom because the bristles are very stiff and they don't bend easy, so this is the perfect broom for this job. Make sure you dampen your microfiber cloth in some warm water, add your little dish soap to it to give it a little extra cleaning power, and then simply fold the cloth over the broom and you can attach it with whatever works best for you. I'm using 2 rubber bands in this case, but you can also use hair ties. Those also work well. This is kind of a DIY baseboard cleaning tool, if you will. Just start wiping off the baseboards with it, and this will remove any stuck on dirt and grime without you having to bend over and break your back. Number 3 is to clean the baseboards with fabric softener. Applying fabric softener to the baseboards repels dirt. Simply make a mixture of 4 parts water to 1 part fabric softener. Now, why does this work, you might ask? Why in the world are we doing this? Well, the secret is that the fabric softener is designed to have the ability to fight static charge. And that static charge is what attracts dust and hair from around your home. As you walk through your house, you naturally create static. You've probably noticed that if you shuffle your feet on your carpet while you're wearing socks, you can build up a static charge, and then you can walk around and shock people when you touch them. Even if you're not shuffling and trying to build up static, just your normal movement creates static, which then disperses itself to your walls and baseboards, where it then gathers the dust and hair. When you use fabric softener, you not only get the baseboards clean as you're doing it, as you're wiping them down, but this will actually ensure you'll have to clean them less frequently because this will repel the dust and the dirt. The bad part is you got to do it by hand, but it's worth spending the time. You could always just get your teenagers or your middle school kids to do this as part of their chores. Trust me, it's well worth it. Number 4 is to use dryer sheets to repel dust. This will give you the same effect as the fabric softener. Simply grab 2 dryer sheets and attach them to your Swiffer mop. They attach perfectly because the Swiffer mop is designed to attach the small little wet dry cleaning sheets, so they attach very, very simple. After you put them on there, just go around, hit all the baseboards. And as I said, this will have the same effect as the fabric softener. It just doesn't clean the baseboards as well. If you decide to do this method, I would recommend cleaning the baseboards first with your little DIY broom tool and then follow it up with the dryer sheets. Number 5 is just to mop them. This is the one that I probably do the most as I go from house to house. We typically clean 3 to 4 houses a day. And you just kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. So just mop the baseboards as you are mopping your floor. As long as you're keeping your bucket of mop water clean, you shouldn't have any issues. I mop a lot of floors with just warm water and dish soap, and so that is really the perfect cleaning solution for this job. Number 6 is to use a Swiffer duster to maintain your baseboards. Once again, this is super easy. The Swiffer extends so that you don't have to bend over, and you only have to buy the wand 1 time. Then you just buy these blue replacements as you run out. Once one of your Swiffer dusters gets dirty, you throw it away and then just put a fresh one on. The Swiffer is very practical because you can manipulate the position to whatever works best for you. Bend it forward, bend it backwards, and I think it goes without saying that you can dust your entire home along the way. The Swiffer will dust blinds, ceiling fans, bookshelves, etc. And last but certainly not least, if you got some pesky stains on those baseboards, you can use a magic eraser. These are great for getting the marks off the baseboards. This is something else you can get the kids to do so you don't break your back. You can buy these in bulk for a much better deal than what you'd pay at the store for 2 or 3. I'll leave these products listed and linked down below for you. So that is it, my friends. 7 baseboard cleaning hacks just for you. I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it valuable. If you did, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. It really helps me out on this channel. And if you noticed from the video, I had the baseboards and the hardwood floors. If you want to know how to properly clean and maintain your hardwood floors, click the video on the screen now, and I will see y'all in the next video.